What's good? It's your boy Melvins bass. Ya se la saben. Vlog part 2. Fool, I have this fucking bass on my head, but you know everything's cool. Con el compa, Angel, singer of Clave 51. You know the deal, homie. Dropping bangers soon. And then con el compa.
You know, Jaguar bass.
Yeah, starting bass. His own fucking Instagram, man. Come on, go follow it.
C51 Axel in the cut. You know what I mean?
Yup, I'm gonna have their fucking Instagrams on the link in the bio. Go check it out down there if you guys wanna go follow them. Fucking sexy ass nigga.
Race.
For the vlog.
Look at that animal.
Hey, my Mac.
The culture, fool.
Oh yeah. We beat your old ass, lady. Just know the deal. We don't give a fuck if you old or you're young.
Come on.
What's good? We back. Compa Axel. Compa Jaguar.
Man, what's up, man? Just know, stay tuned.
And these lovebirds out here, you know the deal. Oh shit. Oh. Hold up. We'll do that later. You'll see some pictures. We're gonna be taking some pictures and everything. You already know the deal. Just know. Just know. We going to the special guest right now. You'll see who it is. Shout out to the best graphic designer. You already know.
Man.
This one. Yup, you already know the deal. Puro chaca. Always gotta support the Jaguar apparel. Puro Jaguar apparel. You know the deal. Yeah. Puro click that shit, huh, doggy?
We got merch, you know.
Yeah.
Make the album for JD.
Hey, I was scratching my balls, nigga.
I was scratching
my balls with the
Not
nigga.
available.
I go fuck up.
Well, y'all heard it from here. Taken, not available. Not available,
Hit me
man.
up, single as fuck.
Hit him up, single. Needs all the bitches. Needs all the levas. You know the
Hit me
deal.
up on Snap, on Instagram.
Yeah. On the link below. Her Instagram on the link below too. Everyone's Instagram on the link below. Fuck it.
Just don't have my girl.
The fuck? Why can I add you? Damn. Now they're gonna fight. Look, Belen. Hold this. Keep blogging, man.
We out here.
Come on, man.
Just know.
Let me text this one. Oh, you have the phone. Alright, we'll be right back because you gotta text me.
Oh, camisa y lobos me porto yo. Si compro mi por eso me la paso de color. Si quieres saber lo que me dedico, toda la persona la vez me le quito. Va a empezar trabajo del área para me produce dinero. Adentro del casino viene haciendo los trajes los mando por fallo. En aviones privados los mandan en salón. El pueblito y la misión sigue arriesgando. Porque no la niña me mandan vigilando. Desde 16 que traigo.
We back, so Melvins bass with Clave 51 and the special guest Abraham Basket.
Show.
You know, we're gonna do a video and we out together and let's get it.
What's up, man?
Sangre dice cosas que son las mentiras. Esta vida tienes que chingarle, usarlas para recordarlo. Entre los dos que yo tengo, mucho riesgo y esfuerzo.
Pura clave, amigo. Carnal. Un whisky para empezar, un gallito para viajar.
Con la clica negociando en los tiempos
Vamos para largo, estamos desde abajo, aquí estamos para tirarnos.
doble vaso, voy llenando, spray enamorado.
Bien bajado, bien calmado. Solito para the best graphic designer anymore, hermano. Un fuerte abrazo.
¿Qué es lo que quiere? ¿Qué es lo que busca? Están ganando que no les gusta. No tengo miedo a perder la vida, pero me quedo por decirme más. Unas 40 y 30 kilos, 5 cargadores están conmigo. Al enemigo y al traicionero, el ejemplo de la pena los soy diferente al del pasado, son muchas cosas que me han cambiado. Mi pensamiento está renovado, ya no confío en el arribado. Yo estoy pensando en trabajar, tomando leña se va a desestresar. El de las 2 pistolas ya llegó, siempre ha sido la sombra del huevón. Rojo es el color que defiende y libre estará yo.
Saludos para los compas de TVGD. Estamos al tiro sus compas los de la O y pura manzanita, ya con saludazos, ánimo.
What's good? What's good? We back. You know, Uno Memory Base, you know the deal. You guys saw the special guest. It was Abraham Vasquez. And then Jesus de los de la O was there too. You know, I didn't think he was gonna be there. And my boy Angel and his girl.
On our way to Wounded.
Yup, you know the deal, you know. And my boy,
What up, what up?
you know, my boy Exo también.
Hot bake.
What's goody?
Yup, you know, if you guys want to follow any of them, other Instagrams,
Okay, let's just get a hotel.
other Instagrams are gonna be in the link in the bio.
Single as fuck, hit me up.
You heard it here. Well, I'll catch you guys later. Right now, I think we're gonna go eat. Then we're gonna go to Wounded. We'll see you guys in Wounded. We back. We just finished eating some carne asada first, you know.
Bomb as fuck.
Yeah, my boy. They barely ordering their food, you know. You see them, but you know, we might not end up going to Wounded because we're very busy. You know.
Clave shit, you feel me?
Yeah, man. So like, you know, my bad.
Come on, man.
But like, you know, most likely this is the end of the video. So peace out. Puro Melvins y la música es todo.
Puro clave.
You know the deal. You know. We out, homie.